Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In The Money Stocks. Today is September 21st, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, you'll see futures right now are trading a little bit lower on the session. They're down 3/4 of a point to 25.04 spot 50. So 25.04 and a half per contract. Futures have come off the lows around 3 o'clock in the morning. They were trading around 25.0150, but you could see that we have come off the lows a little bit, but still negative to start the morning. Now, yesterday we did have the Federal Reserve come out and give their interest rate policy statement. They also were a little bit more hawkish, saying they are going to unwind their balance sheet. We'll see how it plays out. Again, very, very telegraphed stuff. Markets don't seem to mind it. And again, stocks have traded higher. So we're going to see where we go. This also is the start of the Rosh Hashanah holiday. So I'm not sure how much volume we'll have in this market. But either way, happy holiday to all of those in the Jewish faith. With the market playing itself out today, we'll see what we get. We have a very, very light schedule as far as news and earnings. Not many earnings out here today. But again, we'll see how it plays out. We do want to take a look at NVIDIA today. NVDA, leading chip maker. Looks like there's some news out saying Tesla, which uses NVIDIA chips, is now planning on using AMD chips for its self-driving cars. So NVIDIA this morning closed is trading at 181.65. The stock closed at 185.84. So you got a little bit of a downtick there. Let's take a look at AMD this morning. That's trading at around 14.06. This closed at 13.74. And of course, we're going to take a look at Tesla this morning. Tesla right now trading at 374.50. Basically a little bit higher than it closed yesterday. It closed at 373.91. So NVIDIA's in play a little bit this morning. We'll look at that one in the opening bell. By the way, we had a great trading day yesterday morning in the intraday stock chat room. It looks like we had about 4 winners. And again, we are seeing real good action in a lot of different stocks despite the volatility really being low. So again, if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything we are doing in there. You can trade right alongside of us. We are having a sensational 2017. Let's take a look at Anadarko Petroleum. Ticker symbol is APC. Looks like they came out and said they're going to buy back $2.5 billion worth of shares in a share repurchase program. Stock right now is trading at $47.60, closed at $44.81 yesterday. So nice little pop there for Anadarko. I think it is a little bit overbought on the daily chart. I also think you're into daily chart resistance right here. You see that big pivot around 48 bucks. That's going to come into play now. So if you own Anadarko, basically just trail your stop loss. If you don't own it, don't jump on it here because you are into resistance at the moment. Let's take a look at Herman Miller, MLHR. I think they guided lower. Stock closed at $34.95. It's trading at $34 this morning. Not a big deal there. We'll see how it plays out. Let's take a look at RDY, which is Dr. Reddy Labs. And this is trading at $37.75, closed at $35.68. Looks like they were upgraded. So this stock is making a little bit of a move to the upside. And again, around $38, though, there's a lot of resistance. And then you got a lot more resistance around $40.58 with the daily chart 200 moving average. So all in all, Reddy Labs getting a nice little pop here. But again, a lot of resistance levels coming into play at this point in time. Let's take a look at Dr. Pepper Snapple. DPS is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading right now at 91.68. It looks like they lowered their guidance, but the stock isn't doing too much. It's basically flat here ahead of the opening bell. But keep this on the radar today. That could be in play. Let's take a look at BlackBerry. BBRY is the ticker symbol. This is the old Research in Motion, for those of you that traded in the 90s. And again, the stock right now is trading at $9.88. Basically flat, but they did announce some news that they're going to team up with Delphi Automotive and start working on some car materials and parts and potentially self-driving. So again, they're going to work on some software systems with them. That could be in play, although the stock did pop nicely yesterday. It is a little bit overbought. But nonetheless, keep it on the radar today. All right, let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. This morning we have gold trading down $24.90. Right now, gold is trading at around $1,291.80 an ounce. That is a big, big haircut for gold. If you take a look at the GLD, you'll see that's trading out 122.43. So gold has really come down sharply, especially since the Fed said they are going to try to unwind their balance sheet. Yesterday, you had a very nice pop in the dollar. Today, the dollar is not doing much. If you take a look at the U.S. dollar index, you'll see the dollar basically trading just slightly lower. So gold getting a big, big haircut yesterday after the Fed, and that looks to be continuing this morning. So gold down sharply. Gold mining stocks also down sharply. If you look at the GDAX, this is now trading at around $23. So again, if you are a member of In the Money Stocks, we gave you that level on the GDX to the penny, and this has really come down sharply since hitting that top. So again, gold under pressure, and we'll see how it plays out over the next couple of days. Also, we're looking at crude oil today, down a little bit. Crude pulling back by 40 cents, trading at $50.30 a barrel. It's still above that 50 level, but nonetheless, crude has pulled back a little bit today, down 40 cents on spot. If you take a look at the USO, you'll see that's trading at $10.16 right now, and yesterday the USO closed at 10.24. So right now we do have oil a little bit on the weaker side. We'll see where it goes once the opening bell. That could affect the energy stocks this morning. So again, they've been on a big run. We'll see how it all plays out. All right, with that being said, futures down $1. We'll see where we go. Once again, if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we're doing in there. Like I said, yesterday was a blockbuster day. We're going to try to keep that going right into the end of the weekend. With that being said, everybody, have a great session, and we will see you on the charts.